face.
Yeah, that was like
scared me.
swoosh. I wish I had video of that. That was amazing.
Don't take pictures of my face when I'm terrified.
He said it was pictures.
Are you taking video? Oh god. I'm gonna go cry now.
Come at me, bro.
He just took video of me being scared by that bird.
I wish I got the video of the bird first.
Instead of my terrified face. That's not good enough for you.
I'm waiting out any angle. I'm gonna catch it on video. That thing flying right at me.
With every bird flying
Bring
right
it.
at you.
Bring it, bird.
Birds just don't like me.
It wanted the hug. There's a seagull over there. You want that one?
No.
Nah.
I hate seagulls.
That's not a seagull.
Look over in that corner.
Oh, hello, pretty.
Where'd you
You're
land?
pretty. Look
I
at
didn't.
that.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's like a little tiny parrot wannabe thing.
There's golden lorikeets. Apparently the blue, white, those are myna birds. Bali myna birds.
Let me find that one lapwing. The thing I thought was. Oh no way!
Well, why don't they like
Are these mockingbirds? Are these mockingbirds? Kookaburra. Yeah, mockingbird.
No, those are kookaburra. Those are different.
Oh, I don't know anything.
Myna birds and kookaburra are not the same bird.
No, I said mockingbird.
They're not mocking. Well, they do mock. They laugh at you.
fewer than 14?
Fly at me, bird. I want to catch her on video coming right at my face. I guess it's not gonna happen because I'm looking for. Oh, dude, there's a.
I just got attacked
By a
by
myna bird.
an almost extinct bird.
Yes. It's a no. What is that? It looks like a seagull. He's right.
Yeah, that's the lapwing.
Ooh, look at his face.
But it doesn't have a nice face. You're right. There's the myna bird again. Lee, the myna bird is laughing at you. Sit down, baby.
Don't you do that, jerk face. He's gonna go after me again.
I'm waiting for anything to come at me. I want to catch it on video so bad.
No, please don't.
So the other one does it.
This is awesome.
I'm just being attacked by birds.
Stand in the middle. Stand in the middle.
Why am I gonna stand in the middle? They're all gonna come for me. Birds
Sit
don't
down.
like
She's ready for you. Oh, this is amazing. This is so much fun.
It thinks you're friendly.
I'm not friendly. So there's that.
It wants to be friendly. I want to see the hooded.
How? What is that Kookaburra song? Sing it to the Kookaburras.
No.
Why? Dude, his head started bobbing when he said it.
See if we can find the hooded pita or the golden pheasant.
We saw golden peasants earlier.
Yeah.
Wow, it makes really good sounds.
But the hooded pita looks really cool.
What's the hooded? What's the hooded?
It's blue-green with the black hood.
No.
No, the one on the end.
So a greenish one.